Hi guys, today we talk about how can you change password on your Roblox app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on more down here. When you click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you're scrolling down here. Instead you will find here settings. Just click on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on account info here, so then it's going to take you to this list here. You just switching to open with you here, so it's going to show for you like this here. You found here password. Just click on this sign. So when you click on it, in here add your current password, your new password, then you add you confirm password, then you click on update, then it's going to change with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.